Some of the train stations in China look better than some airports I've been to. We also just made this train by the width of a bee's dick. It's 19 minutes past 11. The train leaves in 10 minutes. Just once when I buy a train ticket, I wish that we would get like gate 2 or 3A. Because we are at 23A and it stops at 25. That's our luck. It looks like we might not make it.
Gentlemen, your attention please.
Always. It always happens to mine. Sit here. Our train. Wow. Now to figure out what cart we're on. Lovely.
本次列车全程禁止吸烟。根据中华人